What's up, content creators? It's your boy, the masked YouTuber, the one that will take your channel to 1 million subscribers. Guess what? We made it! We made it to 1,000 subscribers! We have reached our first milestone, and as promised, today we are going to go through how the shoutouts will work. So if you want to get your first shout out from me, keep on watching. Let's go! Before going into the technical stuff, smash that subscribe. Oh my god, I'm never gonna get used to that. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell and give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. For those new to this channel, you just need to know that I'm documenting the process from 0 to 1 million subscribers for this channel, and I'm gonna give you tips, tricks to replicate my success for your channel. You can get more info by watching this video. It should be here, right here in the top right corner. Now let's go into why you are here today. As promised since the very beginning, I told you that I would do shoutouts at 1,000 subscribers, and we made it. We made it to 1,000 subscribers and the shoutouts can start. The next milestone will be 4,000 hours of watch time, so I can become a YouTube partner and start earning revenue. I'm currently at 400 hours, there's still a long way to go, so try to watch all my videos till the end to support this channel. The more this channel grows, the more powerful the shoutouts will be, so supporting this channel will support also your channel. Now, here's how the shoutouts will work. I will do shoutouts for 5 people in each of my upcoming videos, 4 randomly picked comments and 1 comment with the most likes. Basically, I will give a brief description of your channel and tell my viewers to go check it out. Your channel link will also be added in the description of the video in question and also the pinned comment. You can participate an unlimited number of times. To participate, you just need to like the video in question, like all my videos, and leave a comment on my latest video. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. The only thing I ask in return from you is that when you get a shout out from me, you can also do a shout out for this channel. It will be a win-win situation for all of us. The process is also described in the description and the pinned comment of this video if I talk too fast for you. So this was a quick video, that's all for now. What I want you to do right now, as usual, is click on the subscribe button below if you have not already, hit the bell and give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. The shoutout starts in the next video, so comment below to participate. See you in the next video.